So, here's a trail that we're on somewhere.
The nature trail
Yeah.
at Casper's Wilderness Park.
360 view, yeah. And what is this, Lacey?
What?
This tier.
Oh, this is called cacti, see? The family of cactus. Yes. It has thorns. And it doesn't have leaves, but the little stem acts like a leaf. So it absorbs the sunlight and, you know, chlorophyll, whatever.
Yeah.
That's very interesting.
Yes, I know.
Yes, okay.
Alright.
Yeah.
Onward.
You keep hearing rattling.
I know. I think it's bugs, not snakes.
The world may never know.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
I'm seriously like committed to burning Chris Allen's face.
No,
What?
I don't think so.
This is all on tape, you know.
This is my birthday. I should be able to burn his face if I want to.
He's just not your cup of tea. Like, I don't say that Adam Lambert's a bad singer because he isn't.
No,
I just not my cup of tea.
I like Chris Lambert. I have Heartless.
Chris Lambert?
You know what I mean? Chris Allen.
I don't think I do.
Chris Allen. I have Heartless on my computer. My iPod. So. And I like this Ain't No Sunshine. But this doesn't mean I don't want to burn his face for winning.
No.
Yeah, because Adam's going to have the better career.
No, once you get to the final two, you both get.
Yeah, both of them get contracts.
So it's like, the title's just like, yeah, you won.
You get to sing No Boundaries. Basically. I don't know. I kind of hoped that his first single would be like Ain't No Sunshine.
Okay, this video's kind of getting lacking, so I'm going to turn it off.